Hi, the other day one of my students came into class and they were sweating and they were puffing and they said to me this sentence: "My bag is too heavy, so it was difficult to carry here." Now, the problem with this sentence is the word too. My bag is too heavy. What does that mean? Well, too is a word we use in situations that are impossible, excessive, illegal, somehow causing a problem. Something cannot be done. So when you say my bag is too heavy to lift, that's the same as I cannot lift the bag because of its weight. All right, like this table. All right, I try and lift it. No, it's too heavy. Right, it cannot be lifted. So if too is not right, we need a different word. Which word? Well, let's look at the word very. Now, very is an intensifier. It's similar to much, a lot, highly, greatly. So in a sentence like my bag is very heavy, we're saying my bag has a lot of weight, but I can still lift it, right? Like this weight I have here. It's heavy, very heavy, but I can lift it, all right? So in that case, it's not too heavy. The weight is just very heavy. So my bag is too heavy, so it was difficult to carry here? No. My student was able to carry it, so that means the word too is wrong. What my student should say is my bag is very heavy, so it was difficult to carry here. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.